Coronavirus apocalypse, day 27, and we've just been to the store, pick up some supplies for the next week. Little mini milk. Just going to see the neighbours, see what these guys are up to. How's it going? Looking pretty fucking chilled, didn't you? What the fuck? Bit of action here. Right. Got bored pretty quickly of that. Fighting over the grass. Some more recycled wood down there, and we will see what happens to all this. I'm sure something will, but to be continued for this one. So here we have a new stool made from an old stool. The wood and black finish is pretty nice, isn't it?
Personal income taxes. Okay, imaginative. Great. Personal income taxes. Guys, we've set a really low bar. It's only going to get better.
So we've got a little box here. Little box with a little front there. Gonna stick this together to make a drawer. Add it to the workbench under here somewhere. Nice little drawer going in. Sweet. One drawer runner made for the new apocalyptic desk shelf drawer. It's going to be fitted under here. It's made out of these recycled bits of wood. I'm going to build the other desk runner and see what happens. So the new drawer is installed on the old bench. It's a pretty spacious drawer, pretty nice. Couple of bits in there in a minute. Don't know what we're going to use it for, but all made out of recycled materials. Took this off of an old unit today. I'm going to take the rest of the unit apart tomorrow, so you'll probably see that in tomorrow's video. Yeah. So we're going to turn this bench chair into a similar one to this. This one's a bit too high, so we're disassembling this tonight. So the chair's been disassembled, and we're going to make it into one of these nice new chairs.